Students often struggle to pay attention in class. Many times they aren't even aware when their attention has drifted. Here's a technique to help students focus on their own thinking and learning. During a punctuated lecture, the instructor pauses during a lecture and asks students to record their thoughts and reflect on their learning in that moment. Here's how it works. Begin the first section of your lecture and talk for 15 to 20 minutes. Pause and ask students to write about where their attention is and what they're doing in that moment. Ask students to rate their level of attention using a 1 to 5 scale, with 1 being low and 5 being high. Resume your lecture and repeat every 15 to 20 minutes for the rest of the class. You may want to ask students to journal their responses throughout the course and assess them periodically. This variation will allow them and you to see changes in their focus over time. Punctuated lectures help students learn to monitor their own attention and learning, while helping to refocus the class. They also provide valuable information that you can use to adjust your teaching to match their needs. Here at the Patricia Cross Academy, we encourage you to try punctuated lectures in your class. Download our free support materials and step-by-step instructions to get started.